Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. We're going to be unofficially unboxing a really cool pair of vintage radars. These are brown smoke with bronze polarized. And you know what? Even though they're non-iridium, these are some of my all-time favorites, and I think you guys are going to like these too. But, of course, before we get into that, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button. Give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate that. And as always, do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. Be sure to check out our other videos, and be sure to check out the second best book ever written. This book will motivate you, it will educate you, it will inspire you, and it's a great and fun and entertaining read. I lived in a homeless shelter when I graduated high school, but yet still managed to retire early at the age of 46. You can retire too. Click the links below in the description to secure your copy. I promise you, you will love this book. Also, for those of you into cryptocurrency, you definitely want to check out TEXITcoin. Been out for less than 2 years and has grown more than 8,000% at the time that this video is being shot. By the way, I am not a financial advisor, and I'm not giving financial advice. I just want to be clear on that. However, I am saying you should still check out TEXITcoin. I put money into it. My wife put money into it. Our friends and family put money into it, and you should definitely check it out. But links are going to be below in the description for this as well. 2 links. One is going to be for the official TEXITcoin website, so you can do your own research. Second link is going to be my personal referral link. Actually, it's for my wife. It has my name on it, but it's my wife's personal referral link. We would appreciate it if you do decide to get involved in TEXITcoin. By the way, they send you a cold storage coin like this, so no one can hack into your account, which is really cool. It has a unique QR code on the back, so no one can get into your account but you. But if you do decide to get in, use the link below in the description. We really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So, radars were some of my favorites, and we got a lot of radars to go through, guys, because, to be honest, I picked up every single radar official release, every radar color. Now, that's the standard frame, not the straight stem, except for the distressed frame. That's the only frame we didn't get a hold of. Maybe we'll get a hold of that someday. But we also have some athlete exclusive and prototype radars. But this pair is a really cool pair, very special pair in my opinion. Again, brown smoke with bronze polarized. And disclaimer, I'm not even sure if this is the original box. We have so many boxes, and to be honest, I want to apologize in advance. To find the correct box, it could potentially take literally hours, but I believe this could be the correct box. I'm not sure. We have a lot of radars, but it would have come into a box similar to this in any case. But let's unbox these. Let's check these out. Again, this is an unofficial unboxing. These have been on display. These have never been worn. And yeah, we got some paperwork in there, warranty registration paperwork. We're not going to worry about that. You guys know what that is. All right, that's pretty standard. That comes with the territory. And this is back in the day, guys, when Oakley still had their reinforced nylon ballistic cases. They don't have those anymore because they're cheaping out. And they got these new garbage cases. They call them the sport cases, but they're cheap. This has the metal icon. The new sport cases do not. They're just an indentation. And again, if you guys do have any of these vintage cases, vintage being more than 10 or 12 years old, this is probably about 15 years old, always be sure to grab the tab here, right, the zipper tab by the base, because this, unfortunately, Oakley used a cheap plastic here for these pull tabs or these zipper tabs, and they tend to crack over time. They get really brittle, sometimes even sticky. So grab it by the base so that you don't crack your tab. All right. So you got your case, you got a spare nose piece in there, of course. And again, bronze polarized with that brown smoke frame. And this is cool. This is very similar in many respects to, if you guys remember, if you haven't seen the episode, definitely check it out. That's why I always say check out our other episodes, where I have the crystal orange with the vented persimmon lens in it, and it's almost like the lens blends in with the frame. This is similar to that, but of course, a different color. And of course, these are polarized. Come on in so we can check these out. One of the first things you're likely to notice is the polarized etching on the lens. There we go. And again, these are non-iridium. They almost look like they could be VR28 black, but they're not. They are just bronze lenses, or bronze polarized in this case. It would have been cool if they were vented, But I think for the original radars, I don't even know if they had vented polarized lenses. Those didn't, I don't know if vented polarized lenses came out until the radar lock. Could be wrong on that. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Polished gold icons. Can we see those? Can we zoom in on the polished gold icons a little bit, which are nice because you got kind of that brown, right? That brown colorway. And for the lens, or bronze or brown smoke. And then you've got these ear socks. Now these ear socks, it may be difficult to see. I'm going to try to hold these up to the light. The ear socks and the nose piece here are actually root beer, also known as barrel. So they go by two different names, either root beer or barrel, either one. But they're a dark brown, and those of you familiar with this, you'll know they're a dark brown, translucent colorway. And again, these are 100% factory OEM. Something I want to show you guys, and hopefully, you know what, do we have enough light? I think we do. I'm going to hold these up to the light, and I'm going to see if you guys can notice there the translucent properties of that frame, right? So yeah, the light still goes through it. And even the ear socks, if you look at the ear socks there, see the ear socks? Yeah, they're translucent as well. Hard to see at first glance. They almost appear to be black, but they're not black. They are root beer or barrel. Either one. You can call me either one. But you guys kind of know what the radars look like, right? Should I try them on? We get a lot of requests for me to try these on. These have never been worn. They've never been tried on. This would be the first time. I guess I should do it, right? There you go. Now, can you see my eyes? I'm going to ask my wife. Can you see my eyes from these? No. Wow, okay. So, ironically, again, not iridium, but these, I would say, might be actually decent for even bright conditions. Polarized bronze, non-iridium lens. Pretty cool. And again, the lens almost blends in with the frame. The color of the lens almost matches the color of the frame. And I'll give you guys a real quick close-up of these. And hopefully you'll be able to appreciate these like we do, or like I do. I really like these a lot. Yeah, you can see that frame and the lens almost blend together seamlessly as far as the color is concerned. Yeah, that's crazy. And that lens almost does look like it's iridium. It does look semi-mirrored, even though it is a non-iridium lens. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Again, let us know if you guys have any questions or comments down below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.